Today I will install Alpine Linux onto this old laptop that I refurbished in the previous video. Don't forget to plug in AC power, the Ethernet cable, and the USB put device. And without further ado, let's go. So we go setup Alpine. To start this setup, we select our keyboard layout. I suggest you go with US. It's the standard. I prefer US, but you can do with everything and anything you would like. We go with the hostname Alpine server. I like that. It's a nice name. Then we initiate the interface Ethernet 0. We can go with the DHCP and set it up later in the Wi-Fi admin panel. I don't want to manually configure any networks. Okay, now we change the password. Now we select our time zone. And I don't have a proxy. If you have one, feel free to set it in. Then we are going to choose BusyBox as our NTP client. It is the default one and works just fine. For the API key mirror, we type in F to find the fastest. It will speed up any update times later on. So now we want to set up our user, and then for SSH keys, I think it's fine to go with none. We don't need much security for this, and we will harden the security later on. So for now, it's okay to leave it without a key. As for an SSH client, we are going to choose OpenSSH. I find it working most reliably, and well, I kind of like it. So for the disk, as I'm in a virtual machine, I will go with the VBUX hard disk. I'm in a virtual machine because on the original recording of the installation on the laptop, the recording was in a really low quality, so you could not really see the actions I was performing. So we want to go with the SDA disk. Usually you want to choose your biggest and fastest disk. For me, it was the SSD I installed in the previous video. We want to format it as system, so all the data, including the system configuration, is saved on the hard disk and runs off the hard disk or the SSD, of course. Now we want to erase the disks. This is going to take some time. So now we can reboot.
It was one that took the operating system of the AKM, the gas regulator of the SPL, the charging.
And as you can see, we are successfully logged in. We can test the Wi-Fi connection by pinging Cloudflare, for example. And as you can see, it works. Now to connect, we just type in SSH user J, which was my username I created, and the statical IP we set for our server. So for me, 196.168 112. Now we type in the password, and we have logged into our server from our personal computer.